Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM Clone 2005 Form 4 Chapter 9 Differentiation short question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The volume of water V centimeter cube in a container is given by V is equals to 1 over 3 pi h square in a bracket 21 minus h, where h is the depth in centimeter of water in the container. Water is poured into the container at the rate of 9 centimeter cube per second. Calculate the rate of change of the depth of water at the instant the depth of water is 3 centimeter. Give your answer in terms of pi. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question now. Let us continue. Okay, to start off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down all the relevant information from the question into the working here. Okay, the first information that we can see is the volume of water V centimeter cube, which is this one. Okay, let us write it down in our working. So given that V is equals to 1 over 3 pi h square in a bracket 21 minus with h. Okay, the second information that we can observe is water is poured into the container at the rate of 9 centimeter cube per second. Okay, this centimeter cube represent the volume. Okay, and this per second indicates the time. Okay, and then since it's pouring in the rate of 9 centimeter cube per second, okay, so this is the rate of change of volume with respect to time. Okay, in this case is dV over dt. Okay, in this case dV over dt is equals to 9 centimeter cube per second. Okay, so this is the second information that we obtained from the question. Okay, let us continue. So the question asks us to calculate the rate of change of the depth of water at the instance the depth of water is 3 centimeter. Okay, in this case the height is indicated as the letter H. Okay, this letter H indicates the depth of the container. So from here, since they ask us to find the rate of change of the height, so from here the question asks us to find dH over dt. Okay, so this is the one we need to find out from this question. Okay, let me underline the fraction here. Okay, we need to find the dH over dt when h is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, since the depth of the water is mentioned by the question is 3 centimeter, so we write here the h is equals to 3 centimeter. So I hope you get the idea on how we're going to solve this question. Okay, so since we are going to find dH over dt, so we're going to use this as our reference to form our chain rule. Okay, so from here let us form our chain rule here. So dH over dt, okay, equals to, okay, let us write our dH over here. Okay, and then times with dt over here. Okay, let me draw the line. Okay, we can actually write the rate of volume, okay, which is dV. Okay, let us write the dV over here, dV and dV over here. Okay, so this is the chain rule that we're going to use to solve this question. Okay, so this dV and dV will cancel off, will become 1. And then dH times with 1, you get this dH, and then 1 times with dt, you get this dt. So dH over dt, so you get this expression. So this is the concept behind this chain rule, guys. Okay, so we will come back to this chain rule First step, what we need to do is we need to differentiate this v with respect to h. Okay, so from here, so we're going to expand this volume. So from here, let us expand this volume. So from here, you should get your v is equals to 7 pi h square minus 1 over 3 pi h cube. Okay, you differentiate this volume with respect to height. So from here, you get dv over dh, okay, which is equals to, okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, so from here you should get 14 pi h minus with pi h square. Okay, this 3 you times with negative 1 over 3, you should get is 1, and then the power you minus with 1. Okay, that for this expression. As for this expression, the 2 you times with 7, you get 14, and then the power 2 you minus with 1. Okay, that's how you get this 14 pi h minus with pi h square. Okay, but then in the chain rule, if you observe, we are required to form dh over dv. But then in this differentiation, we are forming dv over dh. So how to come up with this expression? Okay, it is very simple. So to come up with dh over dv, so 1 you divide with 14 pi h minus with pi h square. Okay, so let me underline this. So from here you should get 1 over 14 pi h minus pi h square. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, once we form this, then we can substitute this expression into the chain rule here. Okay, let us continue to solve the question. So from here, dh over dt is equals to 1 over 14 pi h minus with pi h square. Okay, and then you times with dv over dt. Okay, the dv over dt is given by the question is 9 centimeter cube per second. Okay, you use the 9 over here. Okay, the question already gives us to use the value of depth of the water is 3 centimeter. Okay, so from here we need to change the h value into 3, guys. Okay, when h is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, from here 14 pi times with 3 minus with pi 3 square. Okay, let us continue our calculation. So from here you get your dh dt is equals to 1 over 33 pi times with 9. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, let us continue. Okay, you can simplify this expression. Okay, this one you simplify, you get 3, and this 33 you simplify, you get 11. So from here dh over dt will be 3 over 11 pi centimeter cube per second. So this will be your final answer. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, so this answer indicates that for 1 second your height of the volume of water increased by 3 over 11 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the indication of the answer. So I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.